left hand, place it in the middle of the chair, okay? Lock your arm, keep it straight, and be prepared to take the majority of your body weight on that arm, okay? So make sure it's warmed up and the joints are ready. With your other hand, you want to place it on the back rest of the chair. Now, in this position, left hand down low, right hand up high. What we want to do is essentially lift our body weight up, okay? So we're lifting our body weight up. Once we've achieved that movement, it's just a simple aspect of creating an air grinding movement, or like an air body roll with your torso and with your hips, okay? So essentially, we want to bring our torso up parallel to the ground and start doing air body rolls or air humping into the ground. Okay, so having said that, this is what the movement is going to look like when done. Left hand down low, right hand up high, lift your body weight up. Whoopsie daisies. Looks like that is enough for this free video, but the full video will be available online in my mentor program. It's an online course all about lap dancing. So I highly recommend you guys check that out if you haven't already. It's crazy value. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Get on it. Link is in the description below.